teachers and you all, my dear friends. This day is very special for all the teachers. Good teachers are like a candle to light the way for others. Do you know how to make the candle? It is making by wax, so it is burning nicely. In the same way, the teachers are molding us as the candle. Let us celebrate in this special occasion. Now I invite Aishri to welcome our principal and all the teachers.
Hello everyone and good morning to all. Today we are celebrating Teachers' Day in our school. I hope you will enjoy this program. As we are celebrating Teachers' Day in our school, I hope you will enjoy this program. I will take this opportunity to welcome Reverend Father Regis and Father Atiko and all the teachers.